Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to join groups in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here, click on the groups option. And here you'll be able to view a list of groups where you can join into. Now click on the group that you want to join into. You can check out the group, and if you want this group's post to appear in your feed, then click on the join group button. And that is how you can join groups in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.